Annyeonghaseyo Yorobun. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Riya. Thank you so much you guys for showering all your love and appreciation. Thank you so much to all those who have subscribed to my channel, and if you're someone who hasn't, then what are you waiting for? If you are a crazy K-drama addict like I am, and even if not, I also have videos on my channel on makeup, on skincare, hair care, whatnot. But yes, K-dramas hold a special place in my heart and my life because of various reasons. And yes, if you relate to all of those things, you can please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If there's anything that you would like to ask me, please feel free to leave it in the comments. It makes me so happy to hear from you guys. And without further ado, let's get started. This is an old drama, you guys, but I just managed to watch it on Netflix. And that makes me wonder how many more such amazing old K-dramas are out there that I'm yet to watch. So to start with, Rain or Shine, alternatively titled Just Between Lovers, is a 2017 drama starring Won Jin-ho and Lee Jun-ho in the lead roles, and at its core is about the victims and survivors of a building collapse, the painful memories they are surviving with, the drastic changes it brought in their lives, and how they go about to reconstruct a new building in its place. This is an emotional story, and all the actors have emoted the pain and the suffering of a horrible accident quite deeply. Won Jin-ho's character Moon-soo is a survivor of this accident, and she has lost her younger sister to it. She is cute as a button, but don't let her childish looks fool you. She's a gifted actress and has delivered quite an incredible performance in this drama. You know when an actor is just too good when you start forming an emotional bond with them and eventually start forgetting that you are watching a character portrayal and not something for real. Her character is shown to be very patient and resilient. Despite her emotional scars, she stays strong and looks after her long grieving mother. Working at a construction company, she has been tasked to build a memorial for all the victims of the accident, along with Lee Jun-ho's character named Lee Kang-do. Kang-do is another survivor of the accident and has lost his father to it, as well as having his leg injured for life. A former athlete, this accident has left him with deep emotional and physical scars. United by tragedy, Kang-do and Moon-soo form a deep emotional bond from where they understand and heal each other and start liking one another in the process. I watched Lee Jun-ho for the first time and I'm already quite smitten by him, and also by how well he played his role of one of the worst hit victims in the accident. Kang-do works hard to pay off a huge debt he inevitably had to take after losing his father and to fund his sister's education. A little googling made me realize that he is a member of the boys band 2PM, and this makes me wonder if all K-pop stars are invariably good actors as well. Ever since finishing this drama, I have been craving to see more of him, and thankfully I have a drama recommendation of him titled The Red Sleeve. Thank you so much for recommending this drama to me. I will talk to you guys about it because I have started watching it. I'm quite liking how much I have seen of the drama by now. So thank you so much once again. Love you. Coming back to this drama, Moon-soo and Kang-do make a pretty couple, and it made me so happy to see them in love and caring for each other. Once sure of her feelings for him, Moon-soo steadfastly stays by him, even bearing with his mock rejections to distance his poor self in hopes she chooses someone he perceives as better than himself. There are many emotional scenes in this drama, and in some I just bawled my eyes out. Also you guys, this drama holds an even more special place in my heart because it has an Indian connect. You can catch a glimpse of Anupam Tripathi from the Squid Game fame in this drama in a couple of scenes, I think, and in one of the scenes he is speaking in Hindi. That just made me so happy when I watched it. So thank you to the makers for that. All in all, this is a most wonderful drama, you guys, that you just can't miss. And If you are someone who has already watched it, please don't forget to share your thoughts and opinions with me. And if you enjoyed this video and found my thoughts relatable, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos on Korean dramas, and also if you are a crazy Korean drama addict the way I am. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, for watching my videos, liking my videos, for sending me your lovely comments. It makes me so happy to hear from you guys, and I'll leave you guys to that. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay smiling all the time. Keep watching K-dramas. Please keep watching my videos as well. And yes, I love you all. Saranghae.